I'm sometimes asked, what is a periodontal cleaning? And that's a difficult question to answer because it goes one of two ways. There are times during non-surgical periodontal therapy, my periodontal therapist will do what is called deep periodontal scaling and root planing. And that's a non-surgical approach to removing periodontal disease. Once the disease is treated, whether it's non-surgical or surgical, every 3 months, a good old-fashioned cleaning to keep everything healthy and have you healthy, our patient.